Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC code U0122 indicates a malfunction related to the PF-CAN-A and PD-CAN-B communication lines. This malfunction involves the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) and the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) modulator-control unit, both critical components in the vehicle's operation. The PCM is responsible for managing engine performance and vehicle dynamics, while the VSA modulator-control unit helps maintain vehicle stability by controlling braking and engine power. When the PCM is unable to receive signals from the VSA modulator-control unit, either the communication lines are faulty or the unit itself may have issues. The root cause could also be related to power or ground circuit failures. To effectively address this issue, a thorough understanding of these components' locations and roles is essential, along with a methodical approach to troubleshooting, ensuring that any underlying electrical issues are resolved. The error code U0122 signifies a communication breakdown between the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) and the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) modulator-control unit. In this case, the PCM is unable to receive the necessary signals via the PF-CAN-A and PD-CAN-B lines, which are crucial for transmitting information between these two units. Understanding the specific locations of these components is important. The PCM is typically located behind the dashboard, while the VSA modulator-control unit can be found within the engine compartment. The failure may stem from several sources, including a malfunction in the VSA unit itself or disruptions in the power or ground wiring connections. If the VSA modulator-control unit fails to initialize properly, it can also trigger the DTC to be stored. This underlines the importance of conducting a thorough inspection of the power and ground circuits before moving on to more complex diagnostics. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC code U0122. First, the VSA modulator-control unit itself may be faulty and unable to send signals to the PCM. If this unit fails, the communication lines cannot function effectively, resulting in the error code. Second, issues with the power or ground circuits supplying the VSA modulator-control unit can lead to a lack of proper functionality. These circuits need to maintain correct voltage levels and connections for optimal performance. Lastly, broken or damaged communication lines could disrupt the data transfer between the PCM and the VSA modulator-control unit, causing the PCM to store the DTC. Understanding these causes aids in pinpointing the exact point of failure, which is crucial for effective repairs and restoring the reliability of the vehicle's systems. When experiencing DTC U0122, a driver may notice several symptoms that indicate an underlying issue. The most obvious symptom is the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, specifically those related to vehicle stability and traction control systems. These lights signal that the VSA system is not functioning correctly. Furthermore, there may be a noticeable loss of vehicle stability assist, which can compromise the vehicle's handling during various driving conditions. This can manifest during hard braking or cornering, affecting overall safety. Additionally, a driver might experience potential drivability issues, such as erratic engine behavior or unintended acceleration. Recognizing these symptoms early on is imperative, as they can lead to significant driving hazards if left unaddressed. The first troubleshooting step for DTC U0122 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and waiting for a brief duration of 6 seconds. This step is critical, as it allows the vehicle's systems to initialize and perform self-checks, which can provide valuable diagnostic information. By following this initial procedure, technicians can determine if the DTC reoccurs in the system. After this wait period, it is essential to monitor the dashboard for any warning indicators that may appear due to the initialization of the VSA modulator-control unit. This method helps to establish a baseline for further diagnostic efforts. If the code persists after this step, it signifies the need for deeper analysis into the power, ground circuits, or the components involved in the communication pathways. In the next step, it is essential to check the power and ground circuits associated with the VSA modulator control unit. Use a multimeter to measure voltage levels and continuity within these circuits. Any discrepancies could indicate that power is not reaching the VSA unit, which would prevent proper functionality and communication with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Additionally, inspect the VSA modulator control unit itself for any signs of physical damage or corrosion that could affect its operational integrity. It is also advisable to verify that all connectors are securely fastened and free of debris. If either the power circuit or ground connection is faulty, repairs must be undertaken to restore functionality. This thorough inspection is vital for resolving underlying issues that could be responsible for the DTC U0122. Once all necessary repairs have been completed, it's crucial to verify that the DTC U0122 has been resolved. The technician should begin this process by using the diagnostic tool to clear the DTC from the system. After clearing the code, a test drive of the vehicle is essential to assess whether the vehicle operates effectively without triggering the error again. During the test drive, monitor the dashboard for any warning indicators and watch for proper vehicle behavior, especially regarding the stability assist functions. If everything operates as expected and no DTC is re-registered, this indicates a successful resolution of the issue. However, if the DTC returns, it may imply that further diagnostics are necessary, possibly requiring a deeper examination of the network communication components. To prevent issues such as DTC U0122 from reoccurring, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Technicians should emphasize the importance of routinely checking all electrical connections and wiring associated with critical components like the VSA modulator control unit and the PCM. Any signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections should be addressed immediately to avoid potential failures. Additionally, ensuring that connectors are clean and securely fastened can significantly enhance communication and power delivery between components. It's advisable to make these checks part of routine maintenance schedules, especially for vehicles that experience harsh driving conditions. Taking these preventative measures can help maintain the reliability of the vehicle's systems and prevent unexpected issues down the line. In summary, addressing DTC U0122 involves understanding its causes and undertaking systematic troubleshooting steps. The diagnosis begins with recognizing potential faults in the VSA modulator control unit and its associated power/ground circuits. Conducting thorough inspections is vital in identifying underlying issues that can lead to communication failures between the PCM and the VSA unit. After repairs, verification tests must be completed to ensure the DTC is cleared and that the vehicle operates normally thereafter. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance procedures can help prolong system reliability and prevent the recurrence of similar issues. By following these steps, technicians can effectively manage and rectify DTC U0122, ensuring safe and stable vehicle operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.